Hi, how are ya? I wanted to come on real quick and just show you how easy it is to apply Color Street nail strips. The first thing you want to do is you want to make sure that your nails are free of old nail polish. So make sure you've removed that. Buff out your nails, trim your nails, file them down to the shape that you like, and make sure that you push your cuticles back. I'm going to put on Long Time No See. This is one of our beautiful new spring colors, and I just want to let you know everything you need to do a manicure is included right in this kit. So I'm just going to open this up, and you will see everything you need is in here, including a cute nail file. You have an alcohol wipe, it says Color Street on that, and you have your nail polish right here in this plastic strip. So the first thing you're going to do actually is take your alcohol wipe and you're going to wipe down all your nails first, and this is just to remove excess oils and dirt from your fingernails. You want to let that dry for 10 seconds or what have you, so you're not putting it on wet. And if you have extra oily nails, you want to try and wash them down a little bit with like Dawn dish soap. It's really great for removing extra oils from your nails. So the next thing you're going to do is you're going to take your nail polish, and there is a little notch on the plastic right here, so you just rip that open like that, and you're going to pull out your nail polish. Every set comes with 2 strips of 8, so there's a total of 16. There are 8 different sizes, and one thing that you want to pay attention to is that you may notice that one side is a little bit wider than the other side, and the tips are slightly differently shaped. And they do this in order that you can really get a great fitting custom manicure. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and you're going to size up your nail polish to your fingers. Let me see if I can do this. So you're going to size up your nail polish to your fingers. So I've done this a few times, so I already know I can take the smallest one. And what you're going to do is you're going to remove this plastic protective cover and then pull on this silver tab, and that's your nail polish. So this is a base coat, a polish coat, and the top coat all in one that's 95% dry. And you can see it's tacky to the touch, and you don't have to worry about touching it. It's okay. You don't want to touch it excessively, but it's totally fine to touch that. I'm going to remove this silver tab on the end, okay? And that's trash. And next what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take my polish and I'm going to place it just below the base of my cuticle. Sorry, it's hard to do this backwards and upside down, but let me show you. Just like that, and then I like to smooth down the middle and the sides, okay? And you can see you have some extra left over, so all you do is you just fold it over your nail, and I personally like to use my thumbnail, but you can use the nail file that came in, and you want to file gently in the downward motion, okay? You don't want to go side to side, but I like to just take my thumbnail, and just perforate the nail polish and remove that. Then if there's any extra, see how there's like a little hang, you just pull that off gently, like so, and yep, there it is, all done. And you can see it's all dry, 95% dry, so it's a little tacky. It takes about 15 to 20 minutes for it to fully adhere to your nails, so you don't want to get your hands wet or put on lotion during that time, but you can do your hair, your makeup, fold laundry, get in the car, do whatever you need to, help with homework, whatever it is that you need to do as a busy mom or woman, you can go ahead and do that. So I'm going to demonstrate with another nail, so I'm going to do my next finger, okay? So I'm going to go the next size up, and this is going to be for my ring finger. Again, I'm just removing the plastic protective cover. I'm going to pull on the silver tab. This is the nail polish. And you're going to size up which end would work best for you. I already know it's on the wider end. And you're just going to place it below your cuticle. Like so. All right, so I got that one a little crooked. So if that happens, pull it up and you can reposition to where it's supposed to be, just like that, okay? Smooth down the top to the top and then smooth out the edges. Fold your nail polish over like so and perforate with your thumbnail and pull. And that is it. How easy is that? Amazing, right? And these will last anywhere from 7 to 14 days, depending on how rough you are with your hands. So I just wanted to show you, easy peasy.